Hey, how you doing? I am using the world's worst, worst, what do you call this? Vlogging camera. Actually, I can't seem to get far enough away from it. Fine. Hey, you know what? I just realized I have a mirror I can show you. Hold on. There you go. World's worst vlogging camera. This is way too heavy, way too big for what I'm doing. Not very handy at all, but I may use it for other things. What do you think, Dongs? Am I crazy? Am I crazy? What do you think, Stella? You think I'm crazy? Does this look crazy to you? This is our street. And our cars. You know, I'm just playing around with this thing. So I've modified it. And how did you do that, you might ask? Oh, there's a mirror right here. I don't have to go all the way. I don't know if you can see that. Oop, let me flip the modes. See? I got the pocket on top. Now, no matter what I do, I'm actually looking in the right direction and the pocket follows me while the other camera kind of does its thing. Maybe I went from the world's worst vlogging camera to the world's best. Well, not really. But anyway, let me say hi to Buddha. Buddha! What's up, Buddha? Where's your brother, Buddha? Uh-oh. Dongies. What's up, pups? You heard me talking to Buddha? Huh, Jiminy? Heard me talking to Buddha? What do you think? You jealous? Jealous? Always. All right, let me take this out. Hey, I'm staring at the back of a building because there's people out front. We know how shy I am. But I'll walk around here. I'm testing out my rig. Oh, I just remembered I forgot my mask. I'll go get it. Sorry.